back to Cosplay on a Budget. I'm your host, Miss Cosplay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made my mother's Toriel dress. Now, this is just the purple part of the dress. She actually wore a long sleeve white shirt under it. If you wanted to add sleeves, you could just take a long sleeve shirt, cut the sleeves off, and then sew them to the sleeveless dress, but she was fine with just wearing a shirt underneath it, so I didn't bother adding the sleeves. So, if you guys would like to know how to make this Toriel dress, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is make up the pattern for the emblem on the front and cut it out of my blue fabric. So I made up a pattern for half of the emblem, and I just folded my fabric in half and then lined the edge up with the fold. This way I'll have the entire emblem when I unfold it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. I also pinned the pattern to white fabric, making sure to line up the edge once again to the fold. And I marked how big of a white trim I actually want on the heart because it will be overlapping the blue a bit. And I also marked a bit past that so that I could hem the white fabric. So I'm going to cut that out, as well as all the little symbols that will go inside the heart. Okay, so now that we have all the white border sewn on, we can move on to the symbols. Also, I tried ironing the white down a bit, but because the white material is very stretchy, it ended up curling on itself like this. Okay, so now that all the symbols are sewn on, I actually went ahead and sewed it onto the dress itself. And now we can start on the lines that come down her dress. So taking my 5/8 inch wide ribbon, I'm actually going to be sewing it so that the underside is facing upwards, simply because the white fabric that I used earlier is not shiny, so I don't want the ribbon to be, so I'm going to be using the matte side. So I'm just going to be running a line from either side of the heart down almost to the bottom, and then have a piece connecting the two. The lengths of the ribbon will depend on the length of your dress. And this is what it should look like when it's all done. And that's it. That's how you make a Toriel dress. So if you guys like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and ring that bell for notifications whenever I upload. And if you guys like what I do here and you would like to support my channel, then head on over to my Ko-fi. Any donations go to more cosplay supplies so I can continue to bring you guys more videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!